Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Macho Nacho Casserole in a Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi. I'm going to start by adding in about a pound of elbow macaroni. This was a 3-pound box and that's what's left, so that's about a pound. I'm going to add in a 15 1/4 ounce can of black beans. And I'm just going to add these in sauce and all, or brine, however you want to say. I'm going to add in a 14 1/2 ounce can of diced tomatoes, juice and all. Alright, now I have a 24 ounce jar of thick and chunky salsa. This is medium. If you have little ones in your house, you might want to go with mild and just spice up your serving individually. I'm going to dump that in. And then I'm going to dump in roughly about half of that jar of water, filled with water. Now I'll give my pasta a stir to see how it looks. And I think that'll be good. So that's roughly about 12 ounces of water in there. And I'm just going to stir this around. Now I'm going to add in a 1 1/4 ounce pack of taco seasoning mix. It's going to be really flavorful, guys. Stir that in. And this is smelling good already. And I'm going to add in some cumin. I should have had this on hand. Okay, here we are. I'm going to add in a heaping teaspoon of cumin. And I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt. Get a little bit more, guys. My salt was empty, so I'll just use it out of the grinder. So that's roughly about a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give that a stir to mix everything together. I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on the Foodi. Turn on my power. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. After my 10 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, my time is up. Now when this was coming up to pressure, it gave me a warning to add water. So I add 2 more cups of water. So that is a total of 3 1/2 cups of water. And that looks like a lot of liquid. But once I get in here and get stirring this, that macaroni is going to drink that right up, as you can see there. So like I said, there's a total of 3 1/2 cups of water in there. Okay, now I'm going to take some sour cream. I'm going to use about a 1/2 cup. This is a 1 cup container. I'm going to put about a 1/2 cup in there. I'm going to stir that down in there to make this extra creamy. And I don't mind sour cream in cooking, but I don't like it like on top of tacos or baked potatoes or anything like that. It's just too sour for my taste. See how that creams that up, and that'll also help mellow out the acidity from the tomatoes and stuff in there. Okay, now I'm going to take some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to take about a cup. And I'm just going to stir that down into there. Now you could do this in your pressure cooker, but you won't be able to use the browning feature unless you have the milky crisp lid. Which you really don't have to worry about the browning part. That's just an extra bit of luxury added to it. Now I'm going to take, I have some Nacho Doritos here. You could use the generic brand if you like. Just want some Nacho Chips. I'm going to take some and I'm going to just crumble them up on top of the casserole here. the big pieces out. You just want a nice even coating on top layer. That way there when you serve this, everybody gets a little bit in their serving. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'm going to add more cheese on top. Just a light dusting of cheese, maybe about a half a cup or so. Alright, I'm going to close my lid down. I'm going to give my hands a quick wipe. I'm going to turn my power off, turn it back on, activate the air fryer part. And I'm going to push my air crisp button. It's set at 390. I'm going to leave it at that. And I'm going to set my time for, we're going to go for 4 minutes. I think that'll be good. After 4 minutes, I'll check that to make sure the cheese is melted and the chips start to crisp up. If not, I'll give it a minute longer, but I think that'll be good. Okay guys, that went for 4 minutes. It's looking good. The cheese is browned. The nacho chips are browned up. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and garnished that with some green onions for a little extra color and flavor. Let me get in here and try this out. And it's going to be hot, guys. Pasta's nice and tender. It's got a nice taco flavor to it. Well seasoned. Try some of the nacho chip, cheese chip with it. Nice crunch to it. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Macho Nacho Casserole and the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.